Why do scientists scratch their heads over Earth's unending hum? Let's explore this curious case. Did you know Earth makes a mysterious sound we can't hear? It's called the Earth hum. This low-frequency vibration is detected by special instruments, but its true cause remains a mystery. Some scientists think it's caused by ocean waves colliding with the seafloor, while others point to earthquakes and volcanic activity. The hum is always present, even when seismic activity is low, adding to the mystery. So what do you think is causing Earth's hum? Is it the restless oceans, or perhaps the Earth's fiery core? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious and keep wondering.